Okay, on number 4, I'm going to do slide divide bottoms up. So I'm going to slide the 7 over there, making that a squared plus 10a minus 56. So I have a negative 56 there, a 10 there. I need numbers that multiply to 56, 8 and 7. And so then I'm also going to do 56. I don't have a factor sheet, so I got to think about this. Divided by 4 would be 14, and that's it, 4 and 14. So I have a plus 14 and a minus 4. I need a negative 4 there. So that adds to a positive 10 and multiplies to a negative 56. Now, I divided by 7, or I multiplied by 7, so I'm going to divide by 7. And so this becomes a 2, so I have a plus 2. This I do bottoms up, so it becomes 7a minus 4. So that's my answer for that one. A plus 2 times 7a minus 4. Number 5 then is, make sure you can see that. Number 5 is 8x squared minus 14x minus 49. So in this one, I'm going to do factor by grouping. So I'm going to do 49 times 8. So I'm going to get 392. So we have a number that's not on your factor sheet here. So I'm going to have 8x squared. I've got a negative 392 there and a negative 14 there. So what you're going to have to do when you don't know the multiples of this and you don't have them on your factor sheet, you've got to do some division. So take 392 and divide by 4, just something that you're pretty sure goes into it. And so I get 4 and 98. Well, that's not going to subtract to 14, so I need numbers that are closer than that. So I'm going to double the 4 and try 8. So I'm going to do 392 divided by 8, and so I have 8 and 49. That's still not enough. Now I see I have 7 times 7 is 49, so I'm going to take 8 times 7 and get 56. So I'm going to do 392 divided by 56, and I get 7. So 56 and 7, that is still not close enough. So I'm going to try 14. 392 divided by 14 is 28. So there we go, 14 and 28. So I can kind of tell by what goes into one number what's going to go into 392. But if you have trouble with that, just start with 4 and then just go through the numbers. Try, 5 obviously doesn't go in. You could try 6, you could try 7, you could try 8, you could try 9. You just keep trying numbers until you get the pair that you're looking for. Okay, so then my numbers are 28 and 14. This needs to be a negative 14, so I need a negative 28 because it's got to add to a negative down here. So I'm going to replace that with a plus 14x, a minus 28x, and then I bring down my minus 49. So to do factor by grouping here, I can pull out a 2x, and that will leave me with 4x plus 7. Here I can pull out a negative 7, and that will also leave me with a 4x plus 7. So then my second parentheses is 4x plus 7, and it could be your first, it really doesn't matter. And then 2x minus 7 goes in the other parentheses. So that is my answer to number 5. Number 6 is 4n squared minus 39n plus 27.